Okay guys, pretty amazing what a little bit of elbow grease and a hot water power washer will do for you, along with the right chemicals. Is so important. The Motul cycle wash is designed not to damage any of the painted surfaces. I gave Carlos exactly. I power wash it, and I said, Carlos, I'll be back in 1 hour. And he did a hand wash after putting the Moto wash on there, and just unbelievable. What a transformation. All the mold, it actually feels really clean, like there's no dirt on it, and the surface feels like it was just waxed. The Moto wash lifts all that stuff off. It's pretty fantastic stuff. Obviously we're going to take it to the next level and polish all the chrome and everything, but all that green stuff that you had on the bags here and on the rear fender is gone. It's pretty remarkable. So we put a little leather treatment on the bags, a little vinyl treatment on the seat. And of course, we're going to polish and primp and prime. That was a stage 1 hour. When we're done, there'll be about 8 hours into this. But take a look at this front wheel. This was covered with literally an inch of dirt. The white walls were brown walls. Obviously, we're going to go to the next level. We'll polish, well, or maybe not so obviously, but we'll polish this aluminum right here, 300, 600, 800 grit sandpaper, and then polish it with the buffing wheels with 3 different types of rouges. So yeah, most of the transformation is in the first hour, the most dramatic transformation, but the details that you'll see later, the wheels will be polished, the tires will be super clean, the little pits of rust that are on the exhaust will be polished off, the little pits of rust up here will be polished off, all the chrome will be polished, any of the painted surfaces like this that need painted, we'll repaint. This thing will be a diamond when it's done. And heck, if you priced a new 1500cc top of the line Suzuki, Yamaha, Kawasaki, or Harley Cruiser today, I mean, it's easy to drop 15 grand on one. So a bike like this is absolutely worth resurrecting. And the first stage is getting everything cleaned up and preserving all the finishes on it. And anything that needs repainted, like these cylinders, we can repaint those very easily. We'll get it looking really good, and then it'll go up to the Manic Mechanic or one of the other 5 techs, Justin or the Wizard or whoever, and we'll clean the carbs, put a new battery in it, change all the fluids, road test it, get everything working beautifully, and we'll have yourself a kick-ass motorcycle. So you don't need to buy a brand new bike. There's a lot of gratification that comes with buying an old machine and cleaning it up like this. This bike's almost 20 years old. It's a 2005, so in 2 years, you'll be able to run classic plates on it. You can register this thing for peanuts with classic plates. And trust me, 1500 cc's of big V-twin power breathing through these Vance & Hines long shots with the white walls. It's just going to be a head turner. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Don't be afraid to jump in and put a little elbow grease into these projects. Have a great day. God bless America.